In this video, you will learn about 10 common phrasal verbs with meanings and examples. Fill in. Meaning: complete a form or document by adding necessary information. Examples: could you please fill in this form? She filled in the missing details. Result in. Meaning: lead to or cause a particular outcome or consequence. Skipping breakfast can result in low energy levels. His reckless driving resulted in an accident. Join in. Meaning: participate or become involved in an activity with others. Examples: don't be shy, join in the conversation. They joined in the festivities. Drop in. Meaning: visit briefly or unexpectedly. Examples: feel free to drop in whenever you're nearby. She dropped in for a quick visit. Believe in. Meaning: have faith or trust in someone or something. Examples: I believe in you. You can do it. She believes in the power of positive thinking. Trade in. Meaning: exchange an old item, typically a vehicle or electronic device, for credit towards a new purchase. They decided to trade in their old car for a newer model. He traded in his old phone for a discount on a new one. Give in. Meaning: yield to someone or something. Surrender or concede. Examples: I refused to give in to his demands. Eventually, she gave in and apologized. Check in. Meaning: register or report one's presence or arrival, especially at a hotel or airport. We need to check in at the hotel before 3 p.m. Have you checked in for your flight yet? Cash in. Meaning: exchange something for money, usually selling assets or taking advantage of a profitable situation. He cashed in his savings for a new car. They decided to cash in on the latest trend. Take in. Meaning: absorb or comprehend information. Observe or appreciate something visually or mentally. The view from the top of the mountain took her breath away. He took in every detail of the painting.